Morning students of class 9, you are welcome back to the classes now. Let us continue our lesson in economics. We are doing poverty as a challenge. So now here, as the last lesson, there are altogether, we have reached the subtitle is Global Poverty Scenario. The global poverty scene. Now here there are altogether 6 points I have written over here. Let's go one by one properly and pay attention, listen carefully. The people in developing countries are living in extreme economic poverty. Especially in the developing countries, most of the people, the population of that country, most of them are poor due to number of factors. So they are living in extreme economic poverty. According to the World Bank, millions of people in these developing countries, including India is also developing countries, millions of people in these developing countries are living on less than $1 per day. That means according to the World Bank, the estimate, according to the World Bank, if a person is earning less than $1 per day, that means he is living in poverty. So that is poverty line, you can see that. So developing countries are living on less than $1 per day. So these people are called poor, or they are below poverty line according to the World Bank. In 1990, it was 28%, the people living in poverty. So in 1990 it was 28%, but it has fallen to 21% in 2001. So there was a reduction in the number of poor people. So in 1990 it was 28%, now it has fallen to 21% in 2001. So that means although there has been a decline, or decrease in the number of people in poverty, those people who are in poverty or suffering from poverty, globally, around the world, the number of poor people has come down. There is a great difference regionally. Regionally means from one country to another country. So in certain countries the decline has been quite rapid, but in other countries the decline has been very slow. So there is regionally this quite difference. There is a difference from one country to another. Poverty declined substantially in China. Poverty has declined substantially in China and Southeast Asian countries as a result of rapid economic development. In our previous class we have talked about the multinational companies, they have set up industries in China. That's why their economic development took place. So naturally the poverty level has, number of poor people has come down. So there is substantially decline in poverty in China and Southeast Asian countries due to rapid economic development and massive investment in human resource development. So they have put more stress in education and training and skill development programs. So because of that, the poverty has come down. The number of poor people has come down in China and Southeast Asian countries. Here number 5, number of poor in China has come down from 606 million in 1981. In 1981 it was 606 million poor people in China. It has come down to 212 million in 2001. You can see the reduction from 606 to 212 million. So now here number 6, in the countries of Southeast Asia. Now Southeast Asia means India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh. They are South Asian countries. Not Southeast, South Asian countries. So here the decline has not been so rapid compared to China and Southeast Asian countries. Southeast means Malaysia, Vietnam, uske baad Laos, Korea, Singapore. These are Southeast Asian countries. There the development or human resource development took place and massive investment in these human resource development. That's why the poverty has come down due to economic development. But in South Asia, that is in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Bangladesh, the decline has not been so rapid because these countries are thickly or densely populated. Population also plays an important role here. So number of poor people increases if the density or the population is very dense, or if the population is very high. So that also plays an important role over here. So there are other factors also. Climatic factors are also there. Education is, of course, it is there. So because of number of factors, the decline has not been so rapid in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh here. But compared to China and Southeast Asian countries. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and your attention. So go through this, take the screenshot and you can copy the notes you can, if you want. And thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in the next class and continue our lesson in poverty as a challenge, and we are doing global poverty scenario. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.